Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your booking.com login problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing is, if you're using any kind of browser, you might need to clear its browser data. Simply go ahead and open your settings, go all the way down to apps, and then you want to simply go ahead and look for your browser that you're using. If you simply scroll all the way to the bottom, there's going to be a clear history and website data tab. Simply go ahead and do so. If that is not the case and you're still facing problem, you could try signing in through an incognito window to bypass potential extension for or cache conflict. If you're using your application, here are a couple of things you want to do. The first thing you want to do is force close it and reopen it. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and check for any kind of updates that are pending with the application. If there are, simply go ahead and update the application through your App Store or Play Store. If none of it works, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.